Today we heading to Super North Dallas to check out some car issues. I want to say it's more than one car, like a Mazda and a Chevy. And I want to say we have to go somewhere a little bit further south, which is still North Dallas in Plano. All right, first we having a look-sees at the Mazda. It's making a rattling noise. That's unusual. Needs another dipstick. There's one weird sound I hear, listen. Figured out what it was. All right, let's listen for this rattle. I think that's what it is too. Like when I was leaning on the car and I was hearing that the exhaust, it sounds like it's just the hinges or something like that. They're just a little bit rusted. Got another dipstick ordered. She got her oil changed at one of these places and they must have broke it. Came up with a temporary solution, not too bad. And plastics be brittle. Yeah, just did the brakes not too long ago, so it's not that. The noise I'm hearing, it's like a light rattle. Very like a light plate, like an aluminum plate. That's the way it sounds, kind of. So I'm gonna put it on lift and fix that. Maybe something has to be tightened or just we got this one squared away. It was just the exhaust, like a little shield that goes around the catalytic converter. And every time you accelerate, it's like an extreme rattle. So, all right, on to the next. That was pretty simple. Wasn't too bad at all. The other Chevy, it just actually just had like, it's got a really small AC leak. So they'd rather just add couple shots of some Freon in it every 3 to 4 months for now. So that's all that really needed. Gave it a little multi-point inspection. Just did brakes on that not too long ago, so it really didn't need anything other than some Freon, a little coolant, a little oil. Nothing major.